Yeah, I'm Carsten Schroeder of MTE Meter Test Equipment AG, responsible for online DGA and portable DGA equipment. This is our brand new H1011 Gen XP. It's a portable DGA device, which is probably the most advanced device in the market right now, which includes no calibration or carrier gas. It doesn't require any calibration or carrier gas because it works on near infrared, optical infrared technology for the gas measurement and headspace extraction for the gas extraction. The big advantage of the device is that it is animation driven. So every step the operator has to execute is presented in animations, and only if a sequence has passed, the operator can press the next button where he is instructed to execute the next operation. For example, to take a 100 milliliter oil sample and to inject it in the extraction chamber of the device, followed by the measurement. At the very end of the measurement, the operator is instructed to take out the extraction chamber and dispose environment friendly of the oil. Here, by the way, is the moisture measurement part sensor of the device. Other advantages of the H1011 Gen XP is that it is equipped with an SD memory which can record thousands of data sets. That means the same transformer can be tested in regular intervals, and the device is showing then the trend of the dissolved gases. The device is also able to show, for example, the Duval triangle after an analysis of the oil, or to show all the different gases, including their contribution. It's a lightweight device, 22 pounds, so easy to carry, easy to lift, and big advantage, can be operated from a 12-volt power supply from a car battery. This can be an advantage because the operation cycle to obtain one measurement is approximately 55 minutes, which includes a 20-minute warm-up time. So if the device is already warmed up on the way to the substation or when entering the substation before getting ready by the car battery, this eliminates important time. If it's required, it's also possible to print the results. So there is a printout with all the different dissolved gases, and of course you can enter the name of the substation, the name of the utility, the model of the transformer, the power of the transformer, so that you have full documentation. Very important as well, there is a Wi-Fi interface, so the device can be operated from any smartphone, notepad or tablet remotely. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening.